In this video, we'll discuss about program for coding and decoding of linear block codes using MATLAB. So before writing the MATLAB code, here I am taking one example. Let us consider that there is a 6,3 linear block code with the following parity matrix. P is equal to, this is a parity matrix denoted as P is equal to, this is a given matrix, and here 6,3 linear block code means this is nothing but value of n and this is the value of k. Okay, so here value of n is equal to 6 and value of k is 3. Therefore, the number of redundant bits are n minus k, that is equal to 3. Generator matrix is represented as I, that is the identity matrix, and size of this identity matrix is k by k. Size of this identity matrix is k by k. So value of k is 3. Value of k is 3. Therefore, identity matrix is a 3 by 3 matrix. So therefore, here it is written, this is the identity matrix, that is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. And this is a parity matrix that is already given in the example. So this is how we write a generator matrix. Once you have written the generator matrix, then we know that the value of k is equal to 3. From this you can find out the number of possible message vectors. So therefore 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. 8 message vectors are possible. So 8 combinations, that means from message vectors will be like 000, 001, 010, 011. Like this, you need to calculate the code word till the message 111. Okay. So here one example is given for the message 000. How to calculate the code word is, to calculate the code word, C is equal to, it will be message vector multiplied by the generator matrix. So it is a matrix multiplication of message vector and the generator matrix. Okay, so here example is given as 000 is our message vector and generator matrix we have already written. Now you can do the matrix multiplication here, row into column. As the size of the message vector is 1 by 3 and size of this generator matrix is 3 by 6. So therefore the size of the code word will be 1 by 6. Okay, you just perform the matrix multiplication, you will get this code word. Similarly, you can calculate for 001 also. Here that is calculated. This is the code word. Okay, so like this we can find out a code word for all the message vectors. Here it is written for 000 what is a code word, and till 111 the code words are calculated. Now let us write the MATLAB code for this particular example. So CLC, that is a clear command window. Here we are writing for a 6,3 linear block code. So I will take n is equal to 6 and the value of k is 3. We have taken the parity matrix as P is equal to 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 0. This is our parity matrix. Okay. So we'll enter the D is equal to input, enter the 3-bit message, enter the 3-bit message Okay. After that, we'll write a identity matrix. Small I suffix k is equal to EYE is the command for writing an identity matrix in MATLAB. So the size of the identity matrix is k by k. Now we will write a generator matrix here. G is equal to, you need to use a command concatenate to write a generator matrix. 2 comma I suffix k, that is the identity matrix, comma the parity matrix. Okay, in the MATLAB we have seen the command concatenate. We have written concatenate 2 comma ik comma p. This is the identity matrix and this is the parity matrix. So here CAT is a concatenate command. Its general format is DIM, that is dimension comma matrix A comma matrix B. This dimension can be, it can be 1 or it can be 2 or it can also be 3. So what is the meaning of 1 writing here is that you are concatenating the matrices A and B vertically if you are writing 1 here, and if you write 2 it will concatenate horizontally, and if you write 3 it will be a complex concatenation. Okay. So in our example we have written 2 in here, that means it will concatenate the matrices, that is identity matrix and parity matrix, horizontally. So we have understood why we have written here 2 for this particular example. So this, then we write, we will display the generator matrix. We will display the generator matrix. Okay. Okay. Then DISP G. Then we will generate the code words. For code words I will write, we need to multiply the matrices of message vector and the generator matrix. So here message is nothing but D and generator matrix is nothing but G. Okay. So here it will perform a matrix multiplication, and then after multiplying we will perform the modulo 2 operation for the code word C1 comma 2. Then we will display the code word for the given message. The code word for the given message. Okay. Display C. Let us run this code. Okay, we will save this as experiment number 1. Save. Okay. Now here it is asking enter the 3-bit message. So let us enter 00. Okay, see, this is a code word and this is a generator matrix. We have seen the code word for 000. Let us check with 100. See, for 100, first 3 bits are same, that is 100 only. For 10 and last 3 bits are 101. So let us check this example also. Okay, let us run the code once again. Okay, now enter the message bit as 100. Now you can check the code word. See, we got the same code word what we have calculated. First 3 bits are same, that is 100, and the last 3 bits are 101. So this is how you can generate the code word for the 6,3 linear block code. Thank you.